Imagine your local auto repair shop soaring to the top without lifting a finger. Sounds crazy, right? But here's the secret. AI marketing is rewriting the rules in Oklahoma City. Picture this, a smart system that knows your customers better than you do, targeting them with laser precision. It's not just marketing, it's a growth machine working 24/7. Here's the twist. This isn't some distant future. America's Best Shops marketing is bringing this power right to your doorstep. Imagine your shop buzzing with new clients while AI handles the heavy lifting. You're no longer competing, you're leading. Feel stuck in the slow lane? AI turbocharges your local brand, igniting trust and loyalty like never before. The best part? It's scalable, affordable, and tailor-made for auto repair shops in Oklahoma City. What if you could automate your growth and focus on what you love, fixing cars? The future is here, but will you grab the wheel? Ready to watch your business shift into overdrive? How far could AI take your shop if you let it?